You're probably not eating enough protein, and here's why that's costing you. As a man over 40, you're fighting an uphill battle that guys in their 20s don't even know exists yet. Your testosterone is dropping 1 to 2% every year, your muscle mass is declining, and your recovery is getting slower. But here's what every fitness guru on YouTube won't tell you. They're giving you the same protein advice they give 22-year-olds who can build muscle eating pizza and protein powder. That's complete bullshit. And if you don't know who I am and you're wondering if I'm just another fitness guru pushing the same recycled advice, my name is Jay and I've spent the last several years helping hundreds of men over 40 transform their bodies through my RM40 system. I've taken guys from feeling soft, tired and over the hill to getting in the best shape of their lives. Some even doing professional photo shoots to showcase their transformations. So if you want to finally understand exactly how much protein you really need as a man over 40 to build muscle, burn fat and reclaim your energy, and you're not someone who needs everything spoon-fed in 30-second clips, then watch this video to the end and I'll reveal everything you need to know. Right, let's get into the protein truths that will completely change how you think about nutrition. Truth number 1. Protein is your retirement plan. Here's a fun fact to ruin your day. From age 30, you're losing between 3 to 5% of your muscle mass every decade. By the time you hit 60, that could mean struggling to get off the sofa or carry your shopping. Depressing, isn't it? But here's the thing. Protein is your insurance policy against becoming that bloke who throws his back out tying his shoes. See, muscle isn't just about looking good with your shirt off, though that's a nice bonus. It's your armor against injuries, your furnace for burning calories, your scaffolding that keeps everything else working, and your ticket to not being the old guy who needs help opening pickle jars. Without enough protein, your body literally eats itself. It breaks down muscle to get the amino acids it needs for basic functions. It's like burning your furniture to heat your house. Works short term, but ruins you long term. But with enough protein, you can actually build muscle well into your 40s, 50s, and beyond. I've got clients in their 60s putting 20-somethings to shame. Think of it this way. Every gram of protein you eat now is an investment in being able to pick up your grandkids later, or just being able to pick yourself up off the floor without making those weird groaning noises. Truth number 2, you're eating half what you need. But Jay, I eat loads of protein. I had eggs for breakfast. Yeah, how many? 2? Congratulations, that's about 12 grams. You need about 150 more today. Most blokes think they're smashing their protein because they've had a bit of chicken at dinner. The reality is, you're probably getting 50 to 80 grams per day. That's survival mode, not thrive mode. The research is crystal clear. Men over 40 need 1.6 to 2.2 grams of protein per kilo of body weight. Let me do the maths for you. 80 kilo bloke, that's 130 to 175 grams daily. 90 grams, you're looking at 145 to 200. Split across 3 to 4 meals, that's 30 to 40 grams per meal. Not a sad palm-sized chicken breast, not a protein bar that tastes like cardboard, proper portions. Why so much? Because at 40, just enough means slower recovery, harder fat loss, weaker workouts, and that skinny fat look nobody wants. Double your protein intake. I'm serious. Track it for 1 week and prepare to be shocked at how little you've been eating. Truth number 3, protein is your secret fat loss weapon. Everyone thinks fat loss is about eating less and doing more cardio. Wrong. That's how you end up looking like a deflated balloon. Smaller, but somehow still soft. Here's what protein actually does for fat loss. First, it keeps you full. You ever notice how you can demolish a massive bowl of pasta and be hungry an hour later? Try eating 200 grams of chicken and see how long before you're raiding the fridge. Protein slows digestion and tells your hunger hormones to pipe down. Second, it protects your muscle when you're dieting. Your body doesn't discriminate. When you cut calories, it will happily burn muscle along with fat. More protein equals more muscle saved, equals higher metabolism, equals easier fat loss. Third, and this is the clever bit, protein burns more calories just by existing. It's called the thermic effect of food. Your body burns 25 to 30% of protein calories just digesting it. Compare that to carbs, 5 to 10%, or fat, 2 to 3%. Eat 100 calories of protein, you only net about 70 to 75. Eat 100 calories of fat, you're keeping 97 to 98. It's like getting a 25% discount on your calories, and who doesn't love a bargain? Truth number 4, your body is getting stubborn. Remember being 20, you could just look at a weight and gain muscle. Now, your muscles are like a moody teenager. they need way more convincing. It's called anabolic resistance, and it's not your imagination. Your muscles literally become less sensitive to growth signals as you age. In your 20s, 20 grams of protein could trigger muscle building. In your 40s, that same 20 grams does bugger all. You now need 30 to 40 grams of high quality protein per meal to flip that muscle building switch. It's like your muscles have developed standards. The posh bastards. This isn't a design flaw, it's just biology. So think of it like this. Young muscles, easy to impress like a cheap date. Older muscles need proper wining and dining. So that little tin of tuna for lunch, that's not a meal. That's an insult to your muscles. You need to get proper portions to get the same response you used to get from a protein shake. Truth number 5. It's not just about biceps. I don't care about being massive, Jay. I just want to be healthy. Cool story. Guess what protein does beside building muscle? Bones. Protein helps calcium absorption. Weak protein intake equals brittle bones equals that hip replacement you're trying to avoid. Your immune system, antibodies are literally proteins. Low protein equals getting sick more often. Skin and hair. Want to look younger? Collagen is protein. Those expensive supplements, just eat more protein. Your organs, your heart, liver, kidneys, all need protein for repair and function. Protein isn't just gym fuel, it's life fuel. It's what stops you falling apart like a rusty car. Every time you skip protein, you're not just missing gains, you're aging faster. Your body is constantly breaking down and rebuilding. Give it the material or watch it use the cheap stuff. Truth number 6, protein plus weights equals the fountain of youth. Here's where it gets really good. Protein alone, helpful. Weights alone, useful. Together, absolutely f***ing magic. Think of it like this. Protein is the bricks. Training is the builder. Without both, nothing gets built. When you combine proper protein with resistance training, you create the most powerful anti-aging combo known to man. Number 1, you stay strong. More muscle equals fewer falls, fewer injuries, and more independence. Number 2, you burn fat. Muscle is metabolically expensive. More muscle equals higher calorie burn 24/7. Number 3, you prevent disease. Higher muscle mass is linked to lower diabetes, heart disease, and cancer risk. And finally, number 4, you feel invincible. Nothing beats knowing your body can handle whatever life throws at it. This isn't about becoming a bodybuilder. It's about being the 60-year-old who still plays football with his kids, the 70-year-old who travels without worry, the 80-year-old who doesn't need help. Protein plus training isn't just anti-aging, it's anti-everything that makes aging shit. So that's exactly how much protein men over 40 really need. And now you know why the standard advice has been keeping you stuck. If you take just this one thing from the video and start hitting the proper protein targets consistently, I guarantee you'll see changes in your body composition within 30 days. But having the right protein intake is just one piece of the puzzle. You still need to figure out your exact calorie targets, how to structure your training to actually build muscle after 40, how to time your meals for optimal recovery, and how to stay consistent when life gets in the way. I mean, it's taken me years of working with hundreds of men over 40 to dial in the complete system that gets consistent transformations. And while I've given you a massive shortcut in this video, there will be a ton of bottlenecks and constraints that will come up if you try to piece this together yourself. In the end, the time you spend trying to figure this all out yourself is going to cost you more than it's worth. And even worse, by the time you do have it all figured out, you'll have lost months or years of potential progress instead of getting results while you're still motivated and committed. However, if you want to avoid all that frustration and want the complete blueprint that shows you exactly how to transform your body as a man over 40, including your personalized protein targets, training program, and weekly accountability, then click on the first link in the description right now to apply for RM40. On that page, you'll find more information about how I can help you get into the best shape of your life in just 12 weeks. Even if you're completely new to this, you've failed with diets before, or you have zero time to spend hours researching nutrition and training. This isn't for everyone. It's specifically for men over 40 who are serious about making this transformation and have the commitment to follow through. So if that's you, click the first link in the description right now, apply today, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.